Okay, so this is the second part where I'm going home on Air India Express flight to Bangalore. So I'm inside the washroom, so time for the review. So everything is clean, proper, everything. There are plenty of towels, a charging port, no smoking sign, a door opening sign, and there are handles to hold on in case of turbulence. And this is the storage area, and this is the toilet. So it's time for a test flush, and now it's time to check the water. It is actually great, it's hot. Time for a test flush. Okay, that's a vacuum toilet, and there's also soap. So the washroom is really great. So going back to seat. Okay, I'm back to my seat. I asked for a glass of water. They gave me in 5 seconds. That quick service, so it's really good. So now I've changed to a front seat which was empty, and I've got the whole row to myself, and also my Airbus A380 new one is sitting on the seat next to me. So first time traveling in a whole row alone. So yeah, so this is the view. We are now at cruising altitude. Okay, it is fully adjusted. This is the view from the wing. It's so beautiful. Okay, we are currently in a right bank. Okay, so now we have leveled the wings. I just noticed the wallpaper, the wall pattern on this aircraft is really good. On other aircrafts will be just plain dots, but here it's very good, like slanting lines, straight lines, horizontal, vertical lines. It makes a really good vibe on the cabin. Okay, I was just studying my boarding pass. So I have moved 2 rows forward. So my seat was 23A, so now I've come to 21A. So anyway, yeah. So flight number is IX2507, and boarding gate Varanasi T1, but BLR they're not given. So gate 2 zone 3. So this is it. 2nd March 2026. This is my boarding pass. Okay, the pilot has announced that the temperature outside is minus 40 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to keep hand on the window to check its temperature. Oh my god, it's really freezing. So yeah, freezing window. I couldn't resist showing this view, so just see the wing of an aircraft, 2 small clouds. Great view. The next time we bank left or right, I'm going to be using an old technique used in aviation, which is called a water cup technique. Many of you may not know about it, so more on that in another video. So what means, if the aircraft banks left, the cup will bank left, the water also will go out in the opposite direction. If it banks right like this, it also goes right. So this is the technique. 1 hour left. Okay, I just poured my coke into this cup, and now we are having turbulence. So the cup is shaking. The cup and the drink inside is shaking, and also my hand is shaking. Okay, we have got, I'm sorry, that was I made it, but we have got some light turbulence. So yeah, I was hoping the drink doesn't spill. I just noticed the carpets on these flights are also great. They are bright red, which is my favorite color. So cabin overall is fabulous. Okay, we have just come over a cloud bed. It looks so beautiful. Tons of clouds and the aircraft wing. What a great view. I'm gonna snap a picture. And one more. It is just 6 p.m. and now the moon is visible. Picture. Okay. Even we are still in the cloud belt.
Now to land in Bengaluru. We are just 137 nautical miles to land in Bengaluru. We should land in Bengaluru by 35 minutes past 6 o'clock this evening. Another 28 minutes from now. Latest weather reported in Bengaluru, visibility of 6 kilometers and temperature 30 degrees centigrade. Steady winds. I'm sure my city group is reliability and everything.
Okay, we are now 137 or 135 nautical miles from our airport destination. Visibility is 6 kilometers and conditions are looking good. We'll be landing in about 30 minutes. The descent has begun right now. So we are going to descend. We are descending at nose altitude of 2 degrees nose down. Okay, so the crew gave me this. It's time to open it later, but now we are still in the descent. And if you want a whole video on this, I'm going to do another video later. Okay, the captain has just told to secure the cabin for landing, and now I'm going to put my seatbelt. I think we are already crossed 10,000 feet since the descent. We are still descending and we can also see the sunset. Okay, the crew are slowing the aircraft and the spoilers on the wing, which acts as brake in the air, have just come up.
Thank you for choosing Air India Express.
Thank you. So they said thank you for choosing Air India Express. So if you had not heard on the mic, I said thank you in a low voice. So now I'm saying thank you. So we are at least 7 to 8,000 feet above ground and we are descending. So the autopilot is doing the descent because there is no physical input. Like when human is controlled, there will be slight changes. Now we are banking left. But the autopilot is doing a really good descent. Okay, now we are turning the aircraft and positioning it towards the runway. There is a lot of fog here, tons of clouds.
Parents are requested to hold your child and infant in your lap. Thank you.
Wow. Okay, they are extending the flaps, which means we are at least 5,000 feet above ground or even below 5,000 feet. Again, the spoilers have come up to slow the aircraft even more. Okay, the third sound you hear is the landing gear being extended, and the bumps which you hear are the hydraulic fluid flowing in pipes to the landing gear and extending it. They are even extending the flaps even more. So I think it was a flap 3. Wow, so good. Okay, touchdown in 5. 5 means 5 minutes. Okay, wow, there's a Boeing 737 over there. And yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's butter the bricks. Wow, smooth approach. Spoilers up, reverse thrust, engine spooling up to 50% in reverse thrust. Very smooth landing, absolutely perfect, nailed it. The sudden vibrations which come are part of the engines which go from immediately from 40% thrust to 50% of reverse thrust. So we have slowed down and we are exiting the runway at one of the high speed turnoffs. So we're still at high speed, so that's why we turned off. At low speeds it will be another turn off which will be located far more down the runway. Whoa. The blue lights of the runway are visible and we are on the taxiway going towards the gate. Okay, so the markings of the runway which we landed on. So we landed on 09er right. So the right runway. Wow, the flaps have gone up.
If you try to start back Badal Chani is a partner apartment for your valuable items such as wallet, passport,
Okay,
and electronic
we have come to Terminal 2 and my favorite airline is there, Air India. So I'm gonna snap a picture of the Airbus
This will prevent
A320.
the bags from getting exchanged with a fellow passengers. Guests requiring wheelchair assistance are requested to remain seated on your seat. You will be assisted
Okay.
once all the other guests have deplanes. It was a pleasure.
If you want more flight reviews like these ones in the future, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment so I can do more vlogs. And also please comment in the next vlog which type of aircraft I should fly on. It's either an Airbus aircraft or a Boeing aircraft. Comment if you're team Airbus and comment if you're team Boeing. And now going to the apron. There is an Embraer ERJ 150, I think so. That's a Star Air aircraft, and there's an Etihad A320 with the IAE engines. So we're gonna be going and stopping next to the Etihad. Okay, so thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day as always, and bye bye.